Today I'll be unboxing, this is a tiara, a necklace, and a pair of earrings. I'm going to be showing you what it looks like. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and take a look. As you can see, it comes in a nice box, neatly packaged. Let's go ahead and take it out. There is a variety of color options available. This is the red and gold one. As you can see, it has plastic on it. You do get some bobby pins in here just to secure the tiara. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it over. I'm gonna give you a close-up on that. Take a look. So this is super nice if you want to use it for an event or maybe for a costume. Very, very nice. And as you could, like I said, it does come with some bobby pins just so you could go ahead and make sure and pin it down so it is not moving around. So let's go ahead and do that now. Right, I went ahead and pinned down the tiara. So nice. So let's go ahead and try it out. Now, here included in your pack is a necklace and some earrings that do match the tiara. So let's go ahead and take those out. Go ahead and give you a close-up on that. It's little roses. And they are the same color as the tiara, so they do match. Let me go ahead and put this on. And last but not least, we have these beautiful rose earrings. Take a look. It is the rose with the little leaves going down. Super nice earrings. So let's go ahead and put those on. Overall, so beautiful. As you could see, the red definitely makes it pop out. So if you're looking for a good tiara, necklace, and earring set, I would definitely recommend